Canary, is that you?
Father, you returned!
Your legs. What happened to your legs?
Mother, she had done a lot to help you overcome it. Oh, Father.
I could hardly recognize you just now. For all these years, I've been away from home, on business. But now, I'm back for good and I'm here to stay.
Really, Father? That's great news!
Yes, I'm happy.
Father, I think our guest here waits for introduction.
Oh yes, this is coming. I believe I don't have to introduce my new doctor to you, do I, Mr. Chen?
Please, Mr. Lee, do call me Ming. And Miss Lee, that dance was just fantastic. It was absolutely beautiful. Words can't describe how
Oh yes,
good it was.
I believe you haven't actually witnessed real Chinese dance until you met my daughter Ming.
You know, Mr. Lee, you're very right, but fantastic. Absolutely breathtaking.
She's good dance, Ming.
Yeah, you ever heard of disco dancing? You ever heard of big band swing? It's really popular in the West. It's the only thing I can actually do.
Well, you can teach me.
Any day.
Yeah.
I'd like to set up
Okay, that's enough. Well, Ming is here to stay for quite some time. He can't be stuck in this village forever. Why don't you take him on a tour around town?
Sure, I'd love to, Father.
Okay, then that's settled.
Let's get in the
Let's
house.
see, Mom.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, what was happening there? Huh? Ka-Ming and Xue. They both thought that a sudden feeling had united them. These moments are beautiful. More beautiful than anything they've ever known. How surprised would they be to learn that for such a long time already, fate had been playing with them. You'll understand what I say.
Oh my God, am I in heaven? So many pretty girls. Hey baby, how you doing? Oh beauty, you like the beast? Do you have a map? I think I'm lost in your eyes. What? You smell so nice. Like bunga thai ayam. Process. So where you girls going? The club, right? Who wants to be my dance partner? You? Why so shy? I think you're the type of girl who likes Indian. Okay, better go girls. She looks very fierce. You sweater! Stop fidgeting lah, you'll be fine.
Just scared I can't keep up. What if he doesn't like my hair, my dance?
Don't worry lah, let the man lead you. Like I said, you'll be fine.